Before we start this video, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on post notification. If you would like to join my Discord, make sure you head over to my channel, click onto the link, and accept the invite. And that's it. First you want to go to settings, go into appearance, and hover down and enable developer mode. Once you do that, you want to create your server for a community, name it, add a profile for it. Once you do that, you want to edit the category, change text channel to chat, change voice channel to voice chat. Create a category, name it information. This is where you want to put like your rules and your welcome channel. You want to put roles reactions if you're going to have that. You want to have a community update. And an announcements channel for whenever people like want to follow your Discord, they can just have that. A media, pretty much the basics, memes, art, and now you can make voice chat 1, 2, and 3. Sorry about my habits of clicking cats. That was my mistake. Once you do that, you want no mic text channel. Music channel for your music when you add a music bot. We'll be discussing about bots later on. But to like the next video, server settings, you want to go enable community. You want to put rules as your rules, and you want to put community update as your community update. Check everything. Now your things updated. You want that to be an announcement channel. Move that upwards. Edit category. You want to add some like pizzazz to your category. What I like to do is put underscores in.
Take a charge.